Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Today's lead code problem number 3788, maximum score of a split. So we are given an integer array nums of length n. Choose an index I such that 0 is less than or equal to I less than n minus 1. Okay. For a chosen split index I, let prefixum I be the sum of nums of 0 plus nums of 1 till nums of I, and let suffix minimum of I be the minimum value among nums of I plus 1 to I plus 2 and so on till nums of n minus 1. The score of a split at index I is defined as score of I is equal to pre-sum or prefix sum of I minus suffix minimum of I. Return an integer denoting the maximum score over all valid split indices. Let's take this example 10 minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 5. 10, I think minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5. So if this is the split index I am thinking, let's take the answer as I need the maximum, right? So let me take it as negative infinity. Now 10. So till here the pre-sum of I is 10 and the minimum from all these is minus minus 5. I think yes, it is minus 5. So 10 minus of minus 5 will give me 15, right? Okay. Yes, will give me 15. Now let's take this one where I have the pre-sum as 10 minus 1, which is nothing but 9. Now this is, from this the minimum is minus 5. So minus of minus 5 will give me 10 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. Let's take here index 2 as the split index. Now till here the sum is 13 minus 1 12 minus, so minus 5 is still the minimum, right? So minus 5 plus 12 plus 5 will be 17. Now let's take the split index as 3, right? 0 1 2 3, yes. 10 plus 3 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5 will be 8 minus, so the minimum number or the minimum of here till here is minus 5 itself. So 8 plus 5 is 13. From all these the maximum is 17, so answer will be 17. But how can I know? It is simple that I know how to get the prefix sum. I'll just create another array. But how do I create that array? So at I pre-sum till I. So how do I get it? So let me take pre-sum with the n as the size, and pre-sum of 0 is equal to nums of 0. Now for int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, this is not even a problem to get the prefix sum, but the problem is how do I get the minimum. So here pre-sum of I is equal to nums of I plus pre-sum of I minus 1. I'll tell you how it will work, right? So let's take this 10 minus 1 minus 3, 10 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So till here the pre-sum is 10. 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 9 plus 3 12 minus 4 8 8. Only till here I need the pre-sum because it is only the I which I can get. So I can be till less than n minus 1, right? So 10 9 12 8, but I will also go through this 8 minus 5, which is nothing but 3. So it is the same 10 9 12 8 and 3 we do not consider. So that's how this pre-sum works. But what about the minimum? What about the minimum? How do I get it? Let's take another example. I think minus 7 minus 5 3 minus 7 minus 5 3. So the minimum at this index, let me take an array. Minimum at this index is 3 itself. From this index From this index, all the indices, all the elements, the minimum will be 3 itself. Now 3 is the minimum. Let me take a minimum or mini and minimum array. Let's take this as minimum array. So minimum till now is 3. Now I will compare it with minus 5. What is the minimum between 3 and minus 5? Minus 5. So minus 5 will be initialized here. Now minus 7. From minus 7 and minus 5, minus 7 is the minimum. So minus 7 will be initialized here. That's how it works. Let's take this example 10 minus 1, 3. 10 minus 1. I'm just changing a little bit. Minus 4, uh, minus 5, and then here minus 5, minus 4, and 3. So here minimum array, it will be 3 here. Now mini also 3. Now for minus 4, when I get to minus 4, the minimum from 3 and minus 4 is minus 4. So here it will be minus 4. When I get to minus 5, from minus 5 and minus 4, minus 5 is the minimum. So minus 5. From minus 3 and minus 5, what is the minimum? Minus 5 itself. From 10 and minus 5, what is the minimum? Minus 5 itself. So minimum array and prefix sum array, that's how I get it. Right, that's how you solve this problem, and I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thanks for watching this video. Please to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.